Let's move forward with the another video जहाँ हम देखेंगे depthness of a Docker container images. Or basically this is a part of like the documentation that which is created on the basis of that. So basically, the introduction of the Docker, you know very well. The Docker is a platform to develop, the deploy, and run application inside the container and allow the developer to package an application their dependencies. और core concepts भी आप समझ चुके थे, हमने practical implementations भी देखा था Node.js का, और उसमें अभी भी कुछ चीजें बाकी है, but I want to just know that about how we can just use that layers and all. So इस concept में मैं आपको पूरा अच्छे से बताऊंगा. और डॉकर इमेजेस के बारे में आप अच्छे से जान चुके थे कि डॉकर इमेजेस आर इम्यूटेबल टेम्पलेट्स यूज्ड टू क्रिएट अ कंटेनर. दे blueprint containing the application code, runtime environment, and libraries and other dependencies as well. So यही हमने अभी करा था कि that which is creating the particular images that working on that part. Okay, so what is the layers के हम definition देखते हैं क्योंकि layers हमने सिर्फ जाना था, but how they technical terms they asking for that. The images are composed of layers. Each layer represented a set of file systems and changes like the adding files, installing packages as well as. Okay, so ये चीज आपको मैंने बताई थी कि layer that which is dependent like that particular layer that which is working on that images, and the layer are cached and reused and across images, optimizing storage and build times. And the layers are read only, that which is not changeable on that part. Okay, so this is immutable. Okay, तो बेस इमेज जो भी आप यूज करना चाहो, और हम इम्प्लीमेंट भी करके देखेंगे हमारी इमेजेस, लेयर ऑफ इमेजेस और मल्टीपल इमेजेस को. ओके, तो कंटेनर के बारे में भी आपको नॉलेज है. द कंटेनर आर अ रन टाइम इंस्टेंस ऑफ डॉकर इमेजेस. दे एडेड देयर राइटेबल लेयर ऑन टॉप ऑफ द इमेजेस, allowing the temporary changes during the execution. Imperial nature, unless explicitly configured, and container do not persist the data beyond their life cycles. उसके beyond their life cycles, they not added any or not configured explicitly their data. Okay, so isolations is like that maintains the isolation. They do not use any particular servers and all. Okay, so workflow of a container images, ये हमने देखा था कि इसका वर्कफ्लो ऐसे मेंटेन करते हैं. और द वर्क डायरेक्टरी कॉपी डॉट डॉट npm install जो कॉपी डॉट डॉट मैंने पहले लगा रखा है. इसके भी बहुत सारे रीजंस है कि हम इस फ्लो में हम इसको डाटा को कैसे यूज करते हैं. ओके, सो फॉर द डॉकर बिल्ड जो ये मैंने कमांड लिखी वो मैंने उसमें लिखी थी, आपको टेस्ट कराई थी. फॉर द स्टैक टू रनिंग कंटेनर्स, मैंने रनिंग कंटेनर्स के लिए 3000 पोर्ट पे उसको कंटेनर को चलाया था, और उसकी इमेज आईडी यूज करी थी, ना कि नथिंग एंड ऑल. वी डोंट रिक्वायर एनीथिंग फॉर दैट. बट या हर कमांड का हर चीज का मतलब है यहाँ पर. ओके, सो डी फॉर द रन इन डिटैच मोड, map container ports to host the ports, and assign a name to the container as well as the Docker PS. Sorry, Docker PS that run with giving the processing of the images, that particular images ID and all. And so the Docker stop my container, that which is stop that container, the Docker rn my container, that basically it delete the container of that required, because lots of storage that storing there. Docker that takes a amount of storage in your drive as well as, so you need to delete that whenever you don't want. So this is the YML part, but you don't need to create a YML. You can just use a Docker file as well as. So this is the YML file that which is created in I think in the format of during the deployments, right? So this is the image for the Nginx, the port number that even in the format app in this format. But yeah, हमने अभी इसके format में देखा, हमने Docker file के through देखा. So we'll go into that part. Managing the data with the volumes, that managing the whole amount